Girts Race Prep 2025. How we doing, gents?
Good. How are you?
Better than ever.
Seconds. 44? 44, that's what it says, 37. No, we're way above it.
That's a start?
Yeah, we're late actually.
Hey, Rumpus is up with the kite. We could shake out the reef, actually.
Yeah, if it's going to be like this, let's think about shaking the reef out. Not a bad idea. Can we do that from here? Oh, yeah. And quickly enough? Slack the reef line.
Ease the outhaul, Larry.
What? Outhaul? Ease the outhaul a bit. Yeah, we're good? I think we're going to give you more of this.
All right, that looks good.
We got the cutting in. How's that look?
Looks good, Larry, thanks. Then the next move is going to be kite up. They're going to come up some.
We got to get a little lateral separation from us.
So then we'll plan on jibing and hoisting?
Yeah. I think so, yeah. Larry, starboard set. Starboard set. Let's set up for a starboard hoist. We're set up for a starboard hoist. Good. Beautiful. Never know you. A valiant effort. Yeah. That was fun to watch.
Are we having fun yet? 8-8 through the water, 8-9, 8-8 over the bottom.
Yep. Pole's locked, everything's locked, hoisted. Go. You ready? Getting down a bit. Yeah, turn it till it's up. Down, just making sure. Yeah, it feels like a trade. Can someone give me a visual? What's going on with the trim? Is it up? Slack on the lazy sheet. Pull it in, Rick. I'm going to take this higher.
And then roll up the jib.
Oh, there's what he needed.
That's it. It's all the main. We just lost it. We just lost the halyard.
Get it in. Let the pole. Bring the pole in. What's neat?
Wonder if it's taped.
Yeah. I don't want to get it. I don't want to get it in the way of the retrieval.
Yeah. Let's get the sail in. No.
Okay, so play last, man. No one takes it.
Probably nobody can. No, we don't.
I guess Tyler's going up the mast. Yep, I can do that.
Head sail. Okay, jib out.
Head sail's coming out. Watch your head sail coming out.
It's ripped?
The halyard itself.
The halyard tore?
The halyard failed?
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
That was a big, that was dynamic. Well, that'll work. Are they just gonna retie that one?
They're just gonna retie it.
Okay.
The sail's almost through the hole.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do it from all of these back it up.
Okay. That'll be just as good.
Oh, yeah.
Woo, baby!
Oh! That does not increase your boat speed. It's never happened to anybody before.
Well, the kite came down because the halyard line broke, and we're ready to re-rig and relaunch the kite.
All right. Ready? Larry, you ready? Yeah. Good?
Yep. And then switch to roll up the jib.
Head sail, head sail. Get rid of it.
Beauty launch, people.
You just pull it down and it'll come out. I mean, you just pull out. Yeah, pull it from that end. Let's get it off the deck. You're wrenching over there.
Or Sarah. Who's grinding?
You're grinding hard. I can't.
Why don't you stay windward?
Yeah, I want to keep weight up, yeah?
Yep.
Okay.
Hey, Noah, can you get windward?
Got a puff coming.
Okay, we might have a little bit of a puff in about 10.
You want me on the bank?
Yep.
There it is, right there. Okay.
9 over the through the water and 8, 9 over the bottom.
Well then, shit. All right, pull now. Give them the halyard as they want.
There's one end that's not attached. Looks like the far end blew.
Tack line, open it.
Watch this string line.
Good job, Juan. Okay, head sail.
Hey Rick, did that corner rip?
Yeah, tore out.
Nice, clean. Grind on. see the wind speed.
Over 20.
It felt like, yeah.
True wind is 25.
You can fix it. My dad's a TV repairman. He's got mass tools.
Got an awesome set of tools.
Who's that from? Fast times at Ridgemont High. What's the wind speed now?
25, 27.
Believe it or not, the seas were lumpier than this yesterday with less wind. Or at least this lumpy.
You could cheat it in it, old Sarah.
Yeah, leave it. There you go. Bring in a little bit of flooded, but
Yeah, just get rid of the flap. Now this guy's rounding up again.
First we shenaned and then we shenaned again.
He's gonna have to get rid of that pretty soon. Oh, it was a heroic death. That's a good kite.
We got her.
Went deeper and got that better angle.
It doesn't really.
Speed through the water, 11, 12. Speed over the bottom, 8.5, 9.
Mark, I got it. Their ice is on, it smells going to weather. So, hugging, if it's got pressure, hugging the shore is going to cut distance. Yep.
Little puff on.
Yeah, go ahead.
Are we ready for a drive over there?
Watch yourself, Chris. Ready. Go behind us.
Hang on.
It's okay, because they're in it up there too. They're in nothing. So let's bring the
Lingering back
head
when
sail
we're-
across for right now.
Tack the head sail.
Ready. Take the head sail, please.
Going down if we
Do we just want to deal with these puffs at the main, or why do you How's my hair?
Flawless. How's your beer?
Tepid and salty. Help!
Vince is going home. He's going around the north side of Shaw.
There's our finish mark. There's our Hravn IPA, sponsored by Hravn of Hood River.
It's windy in Hood River as well.
Light splitting back there. Just rip it off.
Talking 30 knots true.
Not even even worry about it. Sit down. 30 knots.
Boat.
Dead even.
11:53, colon 00.
All right, let's get rid of the head sail.
Nicely done.
11:53. That is the fastest we've ever done it in.
Sure. And that's with hardly any current push at all.
2 hours and 23 minutes.
And hardly any kite at all.
No kite to speak of.
Well, we can speak of it. We'll speak of it fondly.
With the reverence.
Definitely helps a lot on the cold, rainy, miserable.
You have a bunch of collection. And on top of it. That's a lot of fucking force right there. That's an amazing amount of force.
It was taught as a wine. It was
Yeah, Cabernet.
Cabernet.
They had a part of the hostel.
Is there an ear hole?
That they put in the yard. Cut their chance.
When pigs fly!
Thank you.
We're gonna be playing Pink Floyd on the way home too.
Pink Floyd.
It smells right.
And that's one shoe off.
Yeah.
Well,
Hey Rick, what's up?
Yo.